Is it safe to start a keto diet when you're over 40? The answer is yes. Ketogenic diets are considered to be safe for most adults when they are used correctly and monitored by a physician. The keto diet is high in fat, so it would be a good idea to get your cholesterol checked before starting this diet. This is because a lot of fat in your diet can increase cholesterol levels in your body. The possibility of having increased cholesterol is more likely as you move into middle age, so this is definitely something you need to be mindful of when thinking about the safety of the keto diet. For years, the advice from so-called experts was that all fat is bad. However, many of our organs are made up of a large percentage of fat. In fact, the dry weight of the brain is made up of 50% fat. As you go into your fourth decade, memory issues start to raise their head. People following a keto diet think they can just gorge on all fats with no ill effects. However, keto diets are often high in a type of fat called 𝗴𝗍𝗈. These fats are inflammatory and known to cause neurological problems. However, just to add to the confusion, the brain has been shown to function better on ketones, the energy from fats, than glucose, the energy from carbohydrates. That's a lot of conflicting advice. But it's not all bad news. Omega-3 is the good, anti-inflammatory COP, and as long as there is a healthy balance between the two omegas, all is good. Foods such as oily fish, especially mackerel and salmon, walnuts, seed oils, chia and flax, all of which are allowed on a keto diet. As we age, we start to lose muscle mass, and this starts to become more apparent in our 40s. When following the keto diet, don't just focus on fat. Protein is incredibly important too. We need protein to repair our muscles and organs, especially following exercise. The danger is when you have too much protein, which is pretty likely when you are eating a diet so high in meat. Too much protein can be just as dangerous as too little. Eating lots of meat, poultry, fish and eggs can make you feel tired most of the day, which is not great when you're trying to run a house, care for your family and hold down a job. So, the takeaway from this is that done with care and under the supervision of a doctor, there is no reason why it should not be safe for people over 40 to follow the keto diet. That wraps things up for today. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.